Hey, what's up? This is Haitian Jonas who's watching right now. Live! I do have a surprise for you. Jacksy. Kage Sudo. One of the best artists in Zouk culture right now. This young artist just got signed by a label company. I cannot tell until he signed it today. This artist, Kage Sudo, was found on Haitian Jonas' video when he was performing in Boston. This young artist, he has so much swag. His clothing, style, his performance. He can attract both females fans and male. Let's check out his video. What do you think? One of the greatest performances in Boston. This person enlightened everyone to have fun. Now he's about to get paid. I don't know how much, but he's about to get paid, because it's always good to have a manager, a labor company, to be around you, to help you to go get venues everywhere. So, this is why Haitian Jonas is important. I'm not talking to brag myself out, but I'm just telling you my piece in the pie. Am I gonna get paid? I don't know, I hope so. Jacksy, make sure you look for me when you become big. Don't forget where you come from. So welcome to HaitianJonas.com. Go check out his video. Jacksy Sudo Kage. In the meantime, while you're watching, this video is gonna be in. Enjoy my swimming. Let me check first. Oh, I can see. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. That's how it is in Texas.
Gardez senti pour tout monter. Gardez puis faire avec lui. Faire tout le nage je ou qu'on est au sable moi-même. Nous savons moins désiré. N'a jamais mettez le sous